Hello everyone, I'm Lehman with MI Windows and Doors, and today I'm here to show you how to replace your crank handle and cover on our V3000 series casement window. The only tool you're going to need for this installation is a flathead screwdriver, preferably one with a narrow tip. To begin this installation, the first thing you want to do is open the crank handle to expose the set screw right here. Alright, you can see here why we suggested the narrow tip flathead screwdriver. Gotta get it in just so. Loosen the set screw. You don't want to remove it all the way, just enough to loosen the crank handle and pull it off. To remove the cover, you have to come up from underneath and remove the two clips here and here. What you want to do is just wedge the tip of your flathead screwdriver in between the gap and lightly twist, and it'll pop right out on both sides. And once they're unclipped, just pull it right off. To install your new cover, simply place it over the housing and firmly push, and it'll snap right into place. All right, then we're going to take our new crank handle and tighten the set screw. Close the crank handle, and your installation's finished. And that's really all there is to it. In under 5 minutes, we replaced our crank handle and cover, and our casement window looks brand new. If you're interested in the V3000 series for your next project or build, please contact your local MI representative or authorized MI dealer. We certainly hope you found this video helpful and informative, and until next time, I'll see you on the other side of the glass.